this beauty trash video, I thought it'd be kind of fun to do something a little bit different. I don't recall what's in this bag. I really don't remember. And I don't remember what's in here. So I dumped everything in here, kind of shook it up. And I'm just going to take it out one by one. And whatever is kind of coming to my mind, I want to say it. I just, unfiltered. I'll try not to cuss, but I thought that'd be kind of fun just to exercise my brain, just something a little bit different. So bear with me. A little bit of a disclaimer there. So the first item I'm going to pull out feels like a vitamins. Yes, my hair vitamins. This is my Hair Revive from RidgeCrest. This tends to be in like maybe every Empties or every other Empties. My hair vitamins of life. I have a full dedicated video on this. I love them. Definitely check that out if you want me to go a lot more in depth, but I'll never stop taking those. This feels like another vitamin bottle. My Royal Brittany Evening Primrose Oils. My supplements tend to always be the same unless I throw a new one in the mix. I don't remember if I told you guys why I started taking these. This, I've been taking Primrose Oil for about a few years. And I noticed that, and this is just different with everybody, I feel it works with me, but I noticed that in the late afternoon that if I was having a real stressful day or whatnot, it would just feel so different versus before I started taking this. Next one is another supplement. This is my RX Omega-3 Natural Factors. So with me, when I research what brands I want and what sites I go pick them up from, this is kind of just like, this is it. This is the brand I like. When it comes to the Omega blend here, this is another blend where it has the EPA and the DHA, and those number counts work well as far as I feel a good supplement and priced right. What else? Oh, this feels like body wash, of course. Body wash. Oh wait, is it body wash or lotion? Yeah. My body wash of life. I think Nivea changed the formula because there's a new big bottle. It's like maybe bigger than this, and it says something about like nourishing comfort care or something. I purchased it. I do not like it. It is not the same. Texture of the new formula for this, it feels like lotion to me. It goes on like lotion, and it just doesn't feel like a body wash. However, I was at Big Lots and I found a ton of these sizes. Well, actually this body wash, but it was maybe about cut in half. So I bought all of them. It was an amazing deal. I grabbed them all. Then I do see a few of these left at my local CVS. So when I see the old formula, I'll grab it, and I'll keep doing that. And I'm also ordering online until I have it no more. Then I'll have to go back to Neutrogena Rain Bath. That was what I was using before. This is my body lotion of life, same brand, Nivea. So this, as far as I'm concerned, is still going strong. Hopefully they don't change this. The Deep Nourishing Serums. This is my favorite one. Please, Nivea, just go back to the old stuff. It was good. What is this? I don't know. Oh, Redken. This is my all soft conditioners for my hair. So this is it's very rare. It's very rare for me to have a hair anything in my empties. But I finished this up. So when I did wash my hair, I don't wash my hair too often. Redken All Soft, Redken's Frizz Control, those tend to be the two that I alternate between. So I like that one. That makes my hair really soft. It takes care of any type of frizziness. Let's grab two things, and I really like that. This is kind of, challenging. I'm almost kind of touching it thinking, what is this? What is this? I think this is a serum. No, Fourth Ray Beauty, the lightweight hydrator. Okay, so my son finished this, and I bought this for him, just thinking, okay, what would you like on your skin to hydrate your skin? Because he'll just put on toner and a serum, and then it's like, that's it. And I'm like, no, you need to put hydration on. I asked him if he wanted another one of these, and he said, no, I like whatever that new bottle is that you picked out for me. So I had purchased a Neutrogena lotion for him, and he really likes that. Ardell lashes are next. So 207 Black. I wore these. I don't even remember wearing these. I really don't. I don't remember wearing these. This has a lot of glue. I probably was like, you know what? I don't even want to pick it off. I'm done. So just going through my lashes, 207 is quite, it's not as natural as I tend to wear. 207 has a lot more flair, a lot more drama to it, a lot more of, I would say it's about creeping into maybe going out dancing type of lashes, but it's not something, let's say if I worked in a very conservative environment, I wouldn't pick out 207. I would recommend like 105 and then I think 120 or 112. No, 112. My brain is just like all over the place. Okay, what is this? Oh, this is back to Mac. That doesn't count. This is 360, yes, from CVS. This is our extra thick premium cotton squares. I just came across these one day and turns out I really like them. The CVS brand, Beauty 360. So I do pick these out for my son, primarily to use. Sometimes I'll kind of sneak in there and grab a few. Next up is, okay, this is probably the Ordinary. Yeah, I could tell because of this. This is the Niacinamide. So finish that up. I don't recall if it's me. I don't recall if I finished this up. My son finished this up, but it's in here. So this is actually already demonstrated in my morning skincare routine video, the video before this. So that is part of my routine. I like it. And I got him started using that just for him to have that hydration into his skin. You want to start early. What is this? This is probably mascara. Oh no, I was way off. Maybelline Superstay Better Skin Concealer. Looks quite nasty in the shade Deep. When I first picked this out ages ago, I could not put this down. I mean, it's almost done. I could have kept using this, but it's just old. If I did not have quite a few concealers already to use, I would just go out and pick out another one because I really liked this concealer. I like the coverage. I like the texture. It blends well. It is great. Great for just what I'm looking for as a concealer. Okay, I have two. I probably cut something up. What did I cut up? I've got three things in my hand. Oh, okay, I know what this is. Cut open your product, that way you can get every bit out. I am finally tossing, I don't know how many tubes I've finished of, this is my #1 lip balm of life. What the tube looks like together is this. This is the Clarins Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm with Blue Lotus Wax. This is the best lip balm. When I have a product that I'm like, I don't care the price, I know I will continuously use it up, this is one that I feel is a must. I believe it's about maybe close to $30, worth every penny. Now I scraped every bit out of here, and I just put it into a small like travel jar, and I'm still using it for my lips, but I figured I'm gonna go ahead and toss the container now. It had so much stuck way at the top, but pulling and pulling, you know, kind of pulling the tube up like a tube of toothpaste, it wasn't coming out. That's why I said it's time to let you go. Next product I cut open is the Retinol cream from Drunk Elephant. So this was the deluxe size sample that I was using up late fall, part of my morning skincare routine. I did talk about that again in the prior skincare video. This product is part of that cocktail. I'm calling it my skin cocktail that will help fade the dark spots quickly. So I will put that on right after vitamin C, mix it in and put it and apply it to my skin, and it will just go away. Go away. You have to really watch your skin up close and see how it reacts to it. I don't think that there's a lot in here. What is this? I don't know. Oh, Drunk Elephant product. So this is their polypeptide cream, the Proteini. So I did receive a few Drunk Elephant products in like a sample type of a situation. Cleaned it out. I kept this in my skin fridge. I liked how it felt as that hydration in my skin. I used it more so in the morning. A lot of times just before I would put on my sunscreen, I just want something to really hydrate my skin. Put on the sunscreen and called it a day. I did use up the sample again, but I'm not going to pick it up. Okay, what is this? I don't know. What is this? CeraVe. Yes. This is their ultralight moisturizing lotion with sunscreen, SPF 30. It says it moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier. So CVS, their beauty manager, gave me a sample of this along with a couple of Vichy items. I didn't think anything of it. And I tried it. I used every bit up and I really liked the sunscreen. The sunscreen comes in like a tube. It has a pump and it has SPF 30. And what I started to do is when I knew I was not going to be leaving the home, I was going to stay at home, but I wanted still, I'm going to wear my sunscreen because I mean, we have windows and I mean, the sun is coming in still. I would reserve to wear the SPF 30 because I knew I wasn't going to go out. When I was going outside, then I would wear my higher one, my Korean one that I like, the SPF 45. So I had some extra bucks. I had coupons, percentages off. So I went ahead and picked up a full size. I liked how just it sinks into the skin. There's no white cast. It wasn't interfering with makeup. It just looks good on the skin. And it's an option for you. Let's say if you were thinking, okay, granted, I like my Korean sunscreen, but what if you just want to be able to go into CVS, go into Target, go into a drugstore version, and you want to be able to pick that up? This is one I would recommend to try in a full size because it truly is lightweight and looks good on the skin. I think I have 2 more products. Okay, this has a spoolie, so this must be an eyebrow brush. Put the other product right there. Oh, I thought it was a brush, and it turns out to be my eyebrow pencil. This is from L'Oreal. It's the Brow Stylist Definer in dark brunette. So when I was tossing my brow pencils, I don't know where this happened to be because I probably would have just went ahead and tossed this too. I already have what I like when it comes to my brow pencils, and I'm not going out and picking up and trying out all these new pencils. I want to focus on using the good stuff that I enjoy. This is a good alternative from the drugstore. Very thin, very small pencil, precise lines. It will draw precise lines, just like a brow wiz. Now the color selection I feel is quite limited, but dark brunette works well on my skin tone. I see brunette, I kind of think, well, maybe it's going to be a little bit red tone. No, this one was really good. And then over here, this is my eye cream. So this is the one I finished from Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye. This is an eye cream. When I get the samples, I want to make sure that I finish it up. I used to use this way back in the day religiously. I would use this. I would use the Advanced Night Repair Serum. It's just really good for the skin for anti-aging. Oops. No more. The bag is empty. I don't know how exciting this one was. I didn't have a lot of stuff, but that's what I used for February. All my beauty trash. Let me know if you have any questions about anything that I talked about. Leave them down in the comments. I'll get back to you. And that's about it. I hope you all have a wonderful day or evening. Thank you so much for taking time out and spending some time with me. I hope that you are staying safe out there and you are remembering to wash your hands and keep your butt at home. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.